Typical damage anywhere in the world, we're gonna fix it real quick. You always have to work on a clean surface. You heat the panel up, flash off any humidity. This is our collision cold glue. What we've done here is quickly gotten this up with our collision cold glue, designed specifically for collision repairs. Guys, we are doing the last pull. All right, guys, as you can see, very quickly, with a few pulls and knocking those crowns down, it's good enough to go for a body technician with his glaze coat, a PDR technician, or a GPR technician to finish it either way. Camauto tools are built to last. You get simply better results. Go to CamAutoPro.com.